Python, finding differences between elements of a list. Given a list of numbers, how does one find differences between every th elements in it, a plus 1 th? Is it better to use a lambda expression or maybe a list comprehension? For example, given a list t equals 1, 3, 6, ... the goal is to find a list b equals 2, 3, ... because 3 to 1 equals 2, 6 to 3 equals 3, etc.
The other answers are correct, but if you're doing numerical work, you might want to consider NumPy. Using NumPy, the answer is
If you don't want to use NumPy nor zip, you can use the following solution.
Starting in Python 3.10, with the new pairwise function, it's possible to slide through pairs of elements and thus map on rolling pairs. The intermediate result being
If you want to see more practical, consider subscribing.